Moving around a worksheet. While working in an Excel sheet, we often need to move through the worksheet. Let us learn about the keys or key combinations that help in moving around the different parts of a worksheet. Key or key combination. Action. Tab key or right arrow. Pressing it once moves the cell pointer one cell to the right. Up arrow. It moves the cell pointer up by one cell. Down arrow or enter. Pressing once moves the cell pointer one cell down. Shift plus tab or left arrow moves the cell pointer one cell towards left or to the previous cell in a row. Page down moves the worksheet down by one screen. Page up shifts the worksheet up by one screen. Control plus home shifts the cell pointer to the very first cell of a worksheet, that is A1. Control plus end takes the cell pointer to the last cell used within a worksheet. Home shifts the cell pointer to the first cell or column of the current row.